front of me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to start by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on display and brightness. Following that, click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature. As you can see, automatic brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just go into tab menu and tap on this icon next to brightness slider. If it's green, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!